Hey, so today on Tuesday Tip, we wanted to talk to you about pavers and patios. And a lot of people come and they say, oh, well, I can't have a patio because I have concrete, or I can't have a patio because I don't have the space. And so I wanted to talk to you briefly about that. So there's a couple of different things that you can do with patios and outdoor living spaces. With the coronavirus, people are spending a lot more time at home. What does that look like? What does the future of vacations look like? And so we've been helping people this year a lot do some renovation of their backyards in order to create that oasis, create that space that they can enjoy those kind of things. And so we wanted to talk about pavers and how you can utilize pavers to do that. One of the things that people can do is if you've got an existing patio, maybe it's old, maybe it's cracked, maybe it's broken, and what we can do is we can come in with a thin set paver and put that over the top of the current concrete, which allows the new look to the concrete than the old concrete patio. So we can do that. We're doing one right now that you'll see in the next couple of days, the final pictures of, over at Your Pie in Warner Robins. We've taken a drive-through of a restaurant that had asphalt under it, and we've put crush and run base material in there, and we've built it up, and now we're making it into an outdoor patio space for customers to be able to enjoy in that regard as well. We've done patios over the top of different concretes, different stonework, different features that are out there. You can do patios in big spaces or small spaces. It really depends on what you're looking for in your patio area. What are you going to be doing? What's the function of the patio space? And then how do we accommodate those features? Do we want to tie it into a swimming pool? Do we want to tie it into a porch? Those kind of different elements and different features. So, hey, if you need some help with your patio, or you just need some ideas to bounce around in your head about what's the possibilities, what could be done, how do we create a new space, a new area in our home, give us a call. We'd be more happy to get somebody out to you. Hope these helps in your landscape design.